Banana peel and cornstarch will turn you into a 16-year-old girl, regardless of your age. A Japanese cosmetologist revealed this secret to me, and I want to share it with you. To start, we will need a banana. After washing it, we will remove the peel, as that is what we will use for this homemade cosmetic cream. Banana peel contains vitamin C and collagen, which brighten and hydrate the skin, helping to keep it rejuvenated and free from wrinkles and pigmentation. We will cut it into small pieces using a knife, then put it in a pot and add a tablespoon of rice, which is rich in vitamin B and amino acids that are good for softening the skin and leaving it smooth. Then, we will add a cup of water and mix until combined. Next, bring to a boil for about 10 minutes. After this time, let it cool a little before moving to the next step. Then, we will put it in the blender to make it homogeneous, similar to a paste, thus achieving a smooth mixture of banana peel and rice. The next step will be to strain it into a container using a sieve. We do this to remove any remaining particles that have not been ground. Now we will use one of the most important ingredients, cornstarch. We will add a tablespoon, which is ideal for removing grease from the skin, helping to keep it clean and prevent acne and pimples. We will also use a tablespoon of lemon juice. This will help remove spots and blemishes while neutralizing the skin tone. If you don't like lemon, you can use orange juice. Now mix once more to make it homogeneous, and as a final ingredient, we will add a teaspoon of powdered milk, which contains vitamins that nourish the skin and reduce the appearance of melasma. We must pour it into a jar and keep it covered in a cool place like the refrigerator so that it stays preserved and lasts longer. The shelf life in the refrigerator is 7 days. You can apply it on the face and even on the eye contour. Let the mixture sit for 30 minutes and then rinse with warm water and then cold water. Then apply your favorite moisturizer or oil and you're done. Repeat for 7 days at your favorite time. The results are incredible from the first application. If you made it this far, leave banana emojis so I know you watched the full video. If this is the first time you've seen one of my videos, subscribe to be the first to receive our tips.